I'm going to work on a friend's wagon, a friend's ERF. A lot of bodywork to do on it, but I'm going up to his to do it. And this could be possibly the way forward for my business. So, let's get cracking. I'll see you when I get up there. Well, I'm now up in Scotland, across the border, and I've got to work on this ERF. This is Ewan's ERF. You've probably seen it on the channel before. He's been at Truckfest Northeast and stuff. We've spoken and done videos and stuff like this. It's actually an EC12, but the 12 litre blew up, or dropped the bottom end went on it. So what they did was they put a Cummins in it. She's got the Cummins ISM in it, got the ISM in it, and they're currently on restoring it. They've already got a ERF ACX 14525, which is a really nice piece of kit. They've had that fully restored, and I've been making friends with you, and I've known him a couple of years now, and he's asked me to come up and help do some repairs on this. Got some fiberglass repairs. This is getting repaired and painted. It's going to be green, his colours. The repairs to do here, careful because fiberglass, these bits of repairs to do. There's a repair here to do on the inside. That's not even attached anymore, so repair that. Some cracks on the back of the cab. Bits and bats of fiberglass work that I normally sort of do. Body repairs. So let's get stuck into it. Show you what we can do. And like I say, this might be a way forward for my business. Because, as we know, in my little unit, I can't fit things inside. But if I could do repairs at other people's units, like this, could be a way forward. Could be a way around having to have a bigger premises. Yeah, right, let's get stuck into it. One thing that's already really nice is you might see I'm already in my t-shirt. Ewan's brother came up this morning. This is their little unit. It's a great unit, this. Like, I'm massively jealous of it. They put the space heater on, and I am sweating already. I haven't even started, so this is going to be absolutely brilliant. I like working when it's warm. Much better than trying to stay warm when it's not warm. Really helped the fiberglass and everything go off. I'm going to put my boilers on, stop myself getting absolutely filthy dirty when I have to jump in the car and go home. I'm trying to plan which bit I attack first. Now I think my thoughts are I do the fiberglass repairs first, because fiberglass resin and mat takes a lot longer to go off than the other bits, so let's get stuck into it. I got it inside buzzed off the belt sander, so it's all keyed up. I'm just going to repair this because it's broken off. Fiberglass sat up, make that nice and strong again. Like I say, that's the first bit I want to get done, because the rest of it is mainly filler and SMP filler. So, yeah, I'm cooking in here. Not used to being so warm anymore. It's brilliant. I've got a fiberglass mounted, got my gloves on because it's awful stuff to work with. Get this cut into the shape that I want. We'll get some resin mixed up and get that done. So while before I start the actual fiberglass repair on the back, I went around the wagon and found a couple more bits to do. There's a repair here to do. It was already repaired, but it wasn't very good, and I don't want to do my repair on top of it and then it flex and crack, so I'm going to repair this. Put some mat in there and re-fiberglass that, make that the right shape again. And then over here, on this other corner cheek panel, cracked in here, so what I'm going to do is reinforce it in the back and then reassert and repair it on the front. Yeah, I love doing this kind of stuff. And like I say, if this is the this could be the way around the lack of space. If I sort the van out and had a van mobile, so I could jump in the van and come to other people's workshops, work on their kit in their workshops. Could be a way around things, couldn't it? I've actually had to turn the space heater off because it was so warm in here. The fiberglass resin went off too fast. I was in the middle of using it. I was just about to finish the repair on the back. I've got the inside done, as you can see, nice and strong. But I was going to repair this bit, but as I start and put it on, it started to gel. So when it gets to that point, walk away. Don't bother trying. You'll just make a mess. It'll not bond it. Walk away. So yeah, if I turn the space heater off for 5 minutes, I'll let that go off for a few minutes. While that goes off, I'm going to do some more repairs elsewhere, and then come back to the fiberglassing. Fiberglassing is done. I didn't film it because it was so messy. I didn't want to film it, but you've seen us getting this bit done. That's bits repaired into there. I can't repair into there, I can't get in, but that's nice and strong. I don't want to yark on it too much, but that's gone off. That's repaired in there. We'll have to drill that hole back out, and that bit's repaired up there. Just That's gone off nicely. I've redo the bits that are going to get what I call SMC. It's a carbon fibre based fillet. It's got carbon fibre strands in it, glass strands, whatever. I've repaired this bit. That's gone off nicely. And in the back of there, I don't want to touch it because I don't have my gloves on. So let's get stuck into the next phase of repairs. I'll show it before it gets dark. I'll show you the ECX as well. I'll just have a look at that for a few minutes there outside, and it's lovely. And all the sign writing's proper sign written, not stickers. And all the lines and everything are painted on. It is a lovely piece of kit. Chassis being painted, it's a top-notch piece of kit. This is the carbon fibre reinforced, that's why I call it SMC. And yeah, it's what I like to use on fiberglass repairs where it needs to be a bit stronger. And then we'll fill it with normal filler afterwards with 280, which is there. Yeah, we'll just crack on, get this dug out. Gonna let all these bits scan off. That's going off nicely. Take my tape off the back now. Put the tape in the back to stop it from going back. Be it when you get raw cups of tea and biscuits. Well, I'm cracking on. I'm getting just repaired that bit because there's a bit broken at the bottom of there. New fiberglass in there. Ripping off the SMC so I can get the repair. Normal filler in, normal splodge. I'm in repairing them bits, and yeah, just got to crack on. Apparently Ewan has dispatched his father to bring me some 40 and 80 discs for the machine, because we only have 120 and it would be a lot quicker and a lot easier if I had some corset to rip the top off. Great. I like this job. I like this. The filler in the repairs. Just building it up. It's the first coat. So let this go off. I've had to turn the space heater off again because it gets so warm. Honestly, it's awesome. Be brilliant for cold days, but at the minute it gets so hot in here, the filler goes off too quick. So I have to turn it off, and I'm gonna let it go off a little bit more, and I'll rip it back, and I'll fill it again, and then rip it back again, and fill it again. It's just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I'll get a little bit of videos for you. Before it gets too dark and I forget, because I want to show you the ECX. Here she is. So this is the ECX they've just had restored. Now all of this is hand painted. It's all hand painted. It's looking absolutely awesome. They've had it just fully restored it. Obviously chassis is being done. They do put trailers on it. They do drag stuff around with it. But yeah, she's a 14 litre. She's a 525 horsepower ECX 14. Look at it, man. She's beautiful. Proper ERF Eminox. And this is all just being done. And it looks absolutely, it looks so nice. Now hopefully one day, or maybe even when Ewan's up later, you might show us inside it and stuff. I'm not going to go inside it. Oh, one thing I did want to show you. Look at that. I like that, the glitter in the grill. But honestly, all sign written, properly done. All the lines are properly painted on, sign written on, pinstriped on. No vinyl here. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. See here, I've got the repair started. It's not right, and I need to blend it in and stuff, but it started. I've got filled up, and then I take it off, and then fill it up, and then take it off, and then fill it up, and then take it off. Yeah, but I've got to fill all these pits up, make this the right shape. I'll blend this into that, so it's a nice big repair. That is a nice, instead of having a step in it, because there at the minute there's a step in it. I've got to put the smallest space heater on because the big one's too savage. I'm just in the middle of doing all the bits of repairs everywhere. I haven't started the back, and I've started these, but these are going to be horrible to do. I'm just going to have to do whatever I can to get into there. The main man himself has been sent us a message and said what do I want from Mackey's when he finishes work, so he's bringing some nugs up. Haven't started that, but that's not the end of the world. I can finish that. But all the main bits are done. The repairs are done. The fiberglass is done. The filling's done. It might just need some finessing off with some finer paper. But yeah, we'll get it done. We will get it sorted. Really enjoying this. Really enjoying it. Genuinely thinking this could be a way forward for me if I set up a little bit, did a little bit mobile. So if anyone wants anything done and I have a big workshop, where I can come down for a day or 2 days or whatever, let me know. We'll see what we can get sorted out. Try and show you a bit of splodging. The art of splodging. I've got pinholes and stuff, so I'm just going to scrape it in there first. Anywhere there's really low spots, fill the low spots up is what I'm doing first, and then I'm going to fill the whole thing. I'll probably fill it with here actually, blend this in. And then once I blend it in, it makes the repair much smoother. So, trying to stay out of the way of the camera. The problem is, you've got the raised steps like that, you're just gonna, it's really awkward to get the shape right. It's one of those, you just kind of do what you can and hope it's good enough. You keep pulling it out and you put it in, you pull it out, you put it in, you pull it out. One of them. That's the right sort of shape. Lump of shit in me bodge. Damn it. Sometimes you get to a point where you go like that and just go, right, I'm going to leave it alone, otherwise you drag it around, make more of a mess, trying to make it better but made it worse, and yeah. Just rinse and repeat on that. Well, that's me done for the day. Ewan came up and we had some chicken nuggets. Done the fiberglassing. He's standing there. Hello. I'm also in my hoodie now. Available in the merch shop, so if you want one, get one bought. Helps me out. You know, usual YouTubery stuff. This is all repaired. It's finished with 120. In fact, I haven't told you that. It's actually finished with 120, so it should be fine on primer anyway. Inside is repaired, fiberglassed up, nice and strong. All these are repaired. Everything's finished with 120 apart from in there, which we're going to make Ewan do, because I don't have time to finish that. It's now 7 o'clock, 6:30 or something. And I've got an hour and a half to run home. Yeah. Ewan's hung my... I gave Ewan a hoodie. Available in the merch shop. What he said. But everything's all repaired, and she's ready to go. Get ready for primer now. He's going to organise the sandblaster to come and get a chassis sandblasted, and yeah. So keep updated on this. And if you see how it shows, say hello. Yeah. I'm going to crack on, get my silhouette on. Cheers and ta-ra for now. Thanks for watching.